A car so futuristic, people thought it came from space. A design so bold it divided an entire nation. And one version of it today is worth more than a luxury house. This is the 1959 Chevrolet Impala. Back in 1959, America wasn't just building cars, it was chasing the future. The space race had begun. Everything was about speed, power, and looking ahead. And then Chevrolet dropped something so wild, it didn't look real. The first thing people noticed were those insane tail fins. Not small, not subtle, massive, sharp, and aggressive. They looked like wings ready to take off. It wasn't just design, it was a statement that the future had arrived. And then came the rear end, wide, stretched, and shaped like a bat spreading its wings. Those signature taillights, instantly recognizable from a distance. Even today, one glance is enough to know exactly what car it is. But this wasn't just about looks. This machine was huge, over 18 feet long, longer than many modern SUVs. Sitting inside, it didn't feel like driving a car. It felt like commanding something powerful. Under the hood, things got even more interesting. Buyers had options, a lot of them, from smooth engines built for comfort to powerful V8s that could dominate the road. It gave people a choice: cruise in style or move with authority. At that time, this wasn't just transportation. Owning an Impala meant you had status. It was luxury, attention, and presence, all in one machine. When it passed by, people looked. But behind all that beauty, there was a hidden twist. The car used something called an X-frame chassis. It made the ride smoother, more stable on highways. But in side crashes, it wasn't the safest design, a trade-off that most people didn't even realize. And then something unexpected happened. This car left the showroom and took over the streets. Custom builders turned it into lowriders. With hydraulics, it could bounce, lean, and dance. It stopped being just a car and became a cultural movement. The design itself was born from one obsession: space. Everything about it screamed future. The chrome, the lines, the fins, it felt like something out of a sci-fi world. Driving it felt like driving a dream of tomorrow. But not everyone loved it. Some people thought it was too much, too flashy, too exaggerated, too different. It became one of the most controversial designs of its time. People either loved it or completely rejected it. Yet somehow, that didn't stop its rise. It found a second life in music and street culture. Hip-hop artists, filmmakers, and creators made it iconic. It became more than metal and wheels, it became identity. What makes it even crazier? This extreme design only existed for 1 year. Just one. After 1959, Chevrolet pulled back, which means this version can never be recreated. Back then, it sold in huge numbers. It was everywhere. But today, finding a clean, smooth original one is like finding treasure. Most are gone, modified, or lost to time. And because of that, its value has exploded. Collectors hunt for it. Restored models sell for unbelievable prices. What was once a car is now an investment. But the real story goes deeper than money. This car didn't just follow trends, it changed them. It pushed design to the extreme and forced the entire industry to react. Even now, decades later, nothing truly looks like it. The 1959 Chevrolet Impala wasn't just built for its time, it was built to be remembered forever.